Hi, all of you there. So, congratulations to all of you who have got the call from NITI Bombay. So, this shortlisting of the candidates for personal interview in NITI for PGD IE and PGD SM is already done. I think 20th April is the last date when you have to choose the slot for your personal interview, and there is no GD this time. And you know, in NITI Bombay, this you have to prepare. I will be discussing with you detailed strategy how you have to prepare for NITI Bombay. And before I go for that, let me tell you, your PDA is going to provide all of you जो जिनका clear हुआ है detailed learning module, detailed learning material, which is divided into three parts. First part is all the terms and terminologies related to industrial engineering, something like project management, product management, operation research, supply chain management, break point, Six Sigma, quality, total quality management, quality assurance, quality control, काइजन टेक्निक क्या होता है, जस्ट इन टाइम क्या चीज होता है, सप्लाई चेन जिसकी तुम बात करते हो वो एक्चुअल में क्या होता है, फोरकास्टिंग, इन्वेंटरी क्या होती है, लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग किसको बोलते हैं. सो ऑल दीज टर्म्स, दैट इज पार्ट वन, लर्निंग मॉड्यूल. पार्ट टू में मैंने आपको जो हमारे बहुत से करंट इश्यूज चल रहे हैं उनका एक कंपाइलेशन किया हुआ है. सो द टॉपिक्स एज वेल एज कहां से उसको तैयार करना है, जो वीडियोस. सो दैट इज द पार्ट टू विच वी हैव ऑल द करंट इश्यूज इन पास्ट 3-4 मंथ्स, जहां से वो क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है. दैट इज नंबर टू. नंबर थ्री, जिन बच्चों के साथ भी इंट्रोडक्शन होगा, जैसे आपके साथ इंट्रोडक्शन होगा, तो हर एक स्टूडेंट की इंट्रोडक्शन इज इंपॉर्टेंट. इंट्रोडक्शन का क्या पैटर्न है उसकी वीडियो, तो ये 3 वीडियोस की एक्सेस आई थिंक यू कैन गेट इट. एंड वो सब बच्चों को, दोज हु विल बेसिकली बी सेंडिंग दिस, योर फिलिंग योर गूगल फॉर्म एंड मेल कॉन्टेक्ट आप प्रोवाइड करेंगे, तो वी आर गोइंग टू सेंड यू दिस एंटायर लर्निंग मॉड्यूल. सो स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग इट. इट्स ओनली 10 days लेफ्ट, बट 10 days आर मोर देन सफिशिएंट. उससे ज्यादा चाहिए भी नहीं था. यू डोंट नीड 1 month टू प्रिपेयर फॉर निटी. निटी का इंटरव्यू इज वेरी स्ट्रेट सिंपल. आई टेल यू सम ट्रिक्स हाउ यू हैव टू गो फॉर दैट. Now this is how we have to proceed, and I'm going to discuss here uska detailed methodology hai kya. One more thing I want to tell you is, like, as you know, your PDA is the only platform which is mentoring you for preparation of NITI Bombay. So there are two kind of modules here. One is obviously consultancy module, paid module, very cheap, nominal price के ऊपर उसको रखा हुआ है. If you want to get exhaustive preparation of interviews and all these things. And second is all of you who have qualified NITI, one interaction, one mock introduction for you is free. You can access that. So the moment you send your details, that one mock will be arranged for you. You can access that. You can have that. Now, another thing I want to tell you is, like, take this NITI interview seriously. Why? Because last year during shutdown, the placements of the NITI were super, very good. And this, if you ask me, NITI is the best opportunity with GATE possible as of now. My personal liking is NITI, even better than public sector for me, because you never know public sectors becoming private couple of years down the line. So why not start career from today only in private sector, so that 5-10 years down the line you really get into good places. So NITI is very good, I think, option for us with the GATE. So those of you who got the call, now stop thinking anything else and give your 100% for interview. That is the mantra. That is what we have to basically go for. Now I think I'll discuss with you how to proceed forward, how to prepare for NITI Bombay. So this is the call letters of students. Call letters have come. Like, they have given you some dates. 26, 27, 28 are available. 26 से start हो रहा है NITI का. So you have couple of days, 26, 27, 28, 29, something like that. But it is showing that these are the dates which are available as of now. So there will be only personal interview as per this. So some students have got for PGDIE, some students have got for PGD SM, some students have got for both. So they have sent these kind of mails to you that you have been shortlisted, and you can go on their site also, and you can check whether you are shortlisted or not. So I'm telling you now 4 steps of personal interview. There are only 4 steps you have to prepare for personal interview. First step is introduction. Let me tell you, in the introduction, which is the most important part, we have to focus. There are only 2 things they are interested in your introduction. Sir, I am from this part of India. I have done my graduation in this year. This was a BTech final year project. My mother is this, my father does this. That is okay. You have to say it, but they are not interested in that. Even don't get into depth of your BTech project that they don't want it. They want only two things. Number one, do you have those traits which are required to be nitty? Do you have those personality traits? Team spirit, have you worked under pressure, time management, leadership qualities, coordination, collaboration, what extra you have? So in college project, when you did college project, when extracurricular you have done, strengths, weaknesses, hobbies, through that you have to show your traits. That is number one, कि आप nitty का material हो कि नहीं. और दूसरा क्या है, are you interested in nitty or not? Are you interested in nitty or not? They will ask you directly indirectly questions and they want to check के आप nitty छोड़ के कहीं चले तो नहीं जाओगे, because you have options of MTech also, supply chain management में, artificial intelligence में, डिजाइन में, मे बी थर्मल में. आप MTech आपको मिल तो रहा है आईटी बॉम्बे में, यू मे गो देयर, सो व्हाई नॉट यू विल गो. एंड पब्लिक सेक्टर, आपको अगर कल को पब्लिक सेक्टर मिल गया आप छोड़ के चले जाओगे या कोई और जॉब. सो दे वांट टू चेक इट कि आप निटी में इंटरेस्टेड हो और आप निटी छोड़ के नहीं जाओगे. These two things they want to check it. Number one, do you have that thing required to be nitty? And number two, are you genuinely interested in nitty? Introduction में 4 to 5 minutes का अगर चलता है, they want to check this thing only. And believe me, it is not what you say, it is how you say. जिस पैशन से आप बोलते हो कि मेरे को निटी इसलिए चाहिए, that is very important. And from that only they will get to know whether you are interested or not. तो इसकी प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी. ये तुम्हें प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा कि why you think you are suitable for NITI, why you want to come to NITI, tell me that. तो वो आपकी प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी. तो इंट्रोडक्शन में ये दो चीज आपको रिक्वायर्ड है. देन कम्स करंट इश्यूज. अच्छा, by the way, I'm going to give you many introduction with the students and the feedback also, like जिसने इंट्रोडक्शन दिया तो उसमें क्या लूप होल है, that practice we are going to do it. Now second is current issues. When I say current issues, I'm not talking about the political issues. I'm talking about the financial या economic issue, which are very much important. I'm talking about the national and international issue, national and international relevant issue. जैसे कोविड है वो नेशनल इशू है, राइट? कुंभ का मेला चल रहा है, इलेक्शंस चल रहे हैं, तो उससे रिलेटेड वो पूछ सकता है. दैट इज अ नेशनल इशू, राइट? देन एनवायरमेंटल इशू, they can talk technical breakthroughs, technological breakthroughs, and any socio-economic relevant thing they can ask you. So these are the current things, current issues they can ask you. Your PDF पे there's an entire compilation of the past 3-4 months along with videos, कि ये वीडियो relevant videos जो आपको तैयार करने हैं, and you have sufficient time. So this thing also you have to prepare it. And as I told you, your PDF is going to provide you this. Whether you are paid consultancy or not, let me tell you, whether you are paid consultancy or not, these things can be provided to you. Next goes industrial engineering. Now industrial engineering, this course is PGDIE, industrial engineering. So whether you are electrical engineer or computer or civil or textile or chemical, you need to know certain terms of industrial engineering. Like what is industrial engineering, how it is different from industrial management. What do you think is the difference between engineering and management? What is the operation research and how it is different from operation management? Achha, what do you know about supply chain management? You keep on saying. Okay, can you tell me something about forecasting or inventory? Do you know what is ABC analysis or Pareto analysis? Have you any idea about break-even point? Okay, Six Sigma के बारे में आपने सुना है? Zero defect. Do you know something about, let's say, just-in-time inventory model? Okay, what do you mean by quality? How do you define it? And how it is related to the cost? So quality assurance and quality control, what is the difference? Have you heard about quality management and total quality management? Okay, do you know what is project and how it is different from operation? So project management and operation management में क्या difference है? Do you know the kind of resources you have? अच्छा, ये जो project management है इसकी phases कितने होते हैं? So project manager or product manager, can you tell me the difference of that? Have you heard about linear programming? What is the meaning of that? Why it is called linear programming? What is, how it is done? So many industrial engineering topics, very, very simple. Again, your PDA is going to provide you this. So learn it because it is very important. After that, industrial engineering, basic knowledge about engineering, because all of you have cleared GATE, so he's going to ask you very, very basic questions. those of you who are from civil and mechanical, let me give you example. You are from civil, he will going to ask you, अच्छा आपने बर्नौली इक्वेशन के बारे में सुना है? Can you write बर्नौली इक्वेशन? उसकी एप्लीकेशंस बता दो. अच्छा एरोप्लेन फ्लाई कैसे करता है? और do you know what is entropy? Okay, can you tell me what is the strength of the material? Strength होती क्या है? अच्छा आपको पता है ये माइल्ड स्टील और कास्ट आयरन में डिफरेंस क्या है? तो वेरी वेरी बेसिक थिंग्स, यू नो, इंजीनियरिंग से रिलेटेड. सिमिलरली योर इलेक्ट्रिकल कंप्यूटर्स एंड ऑल, बिकॉज प्रोफेसर्स हैव द नॉलेज. सो उसके लिए कुछ स्पेशल तैयारी करनी है? नहीं. नो, लेट मी टेल यू, there are certain questions which are very very important for that. Why NITI? Do you have those traits? Do you have the basic knowledge of engineering, industrial engineering? ये है. This is all about NITI का preparation. That's it. जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स प्रीवियस ईयर्स में NITI गए हैं, जैसे आप जाओगे, and when I interact with them, take their experience, तो they say कि सर difficult question नहीं पूछता NITI में. He's not going to ask you in-depth question. He's not interested in that. Through all the question, he wants to know whether you are jack of all trades or not. तुम्हें थोड़ा थोड़ा knowledge है कि नहीं? You should be jack of all trades actually. Master of none, but jack of all trades. I don't want you to be have in-depth knowledge in technical. I don't want to recruit you for ISRO. And I don't want you to have in-depth knowledge about international issues. I'm not recruiting you as bureaucrat or as IAS officer, right? So you should have little bit knowledge of all, and you should make the linkages with all. This is all you have to do it. Now, you know, 10 days are more than sufficient. If you decide 10 days are more than sufficient, let's push ahead. Let's push hard. Last year भी हम लोगों ने जब preparation किया था, रात को 2-3 बजे तक वो last year, you know, there was no PI, there was a recording session only. So उसकी भी practice किया था. Same can be done now. So we are going to do it. So let's prepare, and we are very close to this target now, and we will basically prepare fully so that we can convert it. And as I always say, those of you, your PDA obviously there are so many people working here. So to feed them, to give them salaries, we need to charge for consultancy, but we always try to keep it very, very less for the hard work people do. But those of you who do not want that consultancy, again, your PDA has academic responsibility here to basically help you also. And that is what I told you. So entire our material which we have gathered over the past couple of months, that we are going to provide you so that you can prepare really well, and we will provide you also opportunity to have one introductory mock with us, with our mentors. So prepare well so that we can convert now this call into selection. All the best.